Negative aging stereotypes are likely to bias the assessment of older adults' cognitive functioning. Our protocol helps to highlight and then neutralize this bias in the lab and in clinical settings.
By neutralizing the effects of negative aging stereotypes, our method contributes to better discrimination between normal and pathological cognitive decline.
These methods provide useful recommendations about how to improve older adults' cognitive assessment in clinical settings, in particular for the diagnosis of the prodromal stage of Alzheimer's disease.
The protocol can be applied to any situation where stigmatized individuals are about to perform a task that relies on a stereotyped ability. Of critical importance, the intervention must help older adults to attribute the cause of their perceived difficulties to the stress related to the examination rather than to the presence of an illness.
Experiment 1 aims at highlighting the impact of negative aging stereotypes during older adults' memory testing. For the first experiment, begin by informing the participant that they will complete 2 independent tasks. The first is characterized as a memory test still under construction to minimize evaluative pressure, while the second one is characterized as a valid memory test. Prepare 2 alternative versions of the reading span test with different sentences, but match them in number of words and in length, frequency, and number of syllables of the last word. In the first study, present 1 sentence at a time and instruct the participant to read it at his or her own pace while memorizing the last word of the sentence. Ask the participant not